Shout out Stripes for this. Met some shorties at the club, but can't remember they face. Cause before we hit the crib, they both depart with their panties. The start is like the end, like the career lift for Mace. Feeling close to Man Savage, but for Macho and Randy, I've been flexed by the guys, had me creased by the lords. She enjoyed the bumps, so only blood a drip from my nose. Are you copping some lean? Are you popping some Zans? Trying to keep it discreet, in the next room from her pants, shorty trying bust it. She just a teen with some angst, like to puff on some plants, man. You fucking with my cheetahs, got fangs for the cougar, smoking blunts by the zipper, making storms like a trooper. Han Lobos and the Falcons, Lord. I was born to be a force, so my soul hitting God. Nasty motherfucker, slide a tongue down her thigh. Never had a Boston nigga with some cream in a pie, like sweet Georgia peaches. She go the distance, roll up the Kermit. She swallow Lipton, stay at my door like Jehovah Witness. She grip the stick, then she blow the pistons. Dead ass, shorty got a fatty, but I don't know where her head at. Shorty got designer on, but don't know where her bread at. So call me when you wanna get dead. We can lay in the coffin in the shade, roll up till we fade out.
Niggas wanna know what the process is. I ain't really down with the gossiping. I'm acknowledging the niggas counting dollars for the profit to get up out they mama crib. Here we go with the shots again. It get hot, niggas think that it's safe to play the block again. And the blocks they spin. Bullets ain't got no name, so don't think that you can dodge this shit. Rolling through the hood with no consequence. Burning on the wood, pique my confidence. Niggas know that I ain't got no time for shit, so they ain't crossing lines when I'm crossing in. Talk money, then I comprehend. Eating at the table where the bosses is. Real life shit, I cannot pretend. Young nigga coming through the block again. New low shit, I won't rock again. Stand out like yeah when I rock it in. In the kitchen stirring up the pot again. Got the A4 and almost got the Glock with it, but the AR had a better pop to it. Automatic kick, no not the shift. No not the shift. Switching up coast for the liveliness.
you guys didn't catch on, the airlift 3P is sold. And then I told you guys I'm basically parting out the car. So I'm selling the wheels and the bags. Bags are gone. Wheels are on the car, and I'm gonna see if the car can drive on the coilovers as it is. It looks as if it's okay. So let's see. This is the first static drive in quite a while. Making sure nothing rubs. They don't drive bad at all, actually. These are Truhart coilovers. There's no dampening adjustment, but they're not bad. No rubbing, so good to go. Full lock. I'm good, so I can drive the car on these wheels static. So we're all set. Good as is, no need for any adjustment. I'm gonna keep them at this height, and this is how the car sits on the Truharts. Static boys. I'm pretty sure it's nowhere near even all around, but yeah, that's definitely, I believe it is even actually, but yeah, I don't care. That's good as is. And yeah.